What is up, YouTube? It's Tom from Tech Time. Here at Tech Time, we bring you all your tech all the time. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with our weekly content. Today, I have a screen protector for the Google Pixel 3 XL. This is from the company Whitestone Dome, and they've really came onto the market when they started making glass screen protectors for the curved screens on the Samsung Galaxy line. There wasn't too many other options out there that worked well. Most of them had adhesion just around the edges and they popped off. You barely touched them or blew dust off them. They just pretty much fell right off the screen. They came out with this with their patented technology. They use a liquid optical clear adhesive and then a UV light to adhere it all to the glass. So it pretty much feels like factory glass. It works well. The quality is unbelievable. Complete touch sensitivity, no issues at all, and it's really nice. It's definitely the best screen protector on the market for smartphones, and now they've really branched out to any flagships that are out there. So you can get this, all around the board. The price is normally around $40 to $50. This one comes in at $45, so you are going to pay a premium for it. But if you're paying $800 to $1,200 for your smartphone, isn't it worth it to add a little protection? It is a shame that you have to, but in this day and age, you're going to have to. So this right here is definitely the top of the line. It also comes with a pretty in-depth installation process. But don't be scared. If you follow the directions, it works. And, it seems overwhelming. For me, it's normally been overwhelming. I do it behind the camera, so it's a little harder. I like to do it in real time, show you guys how it goes. But this time I feel that it should be, pretty fluent. Every phone's a little different, but we'll get into it and we'll see how it goes. With this Google Pixel 3 XL, it's a glass-on-glass design, so you're going to need protection. From what I've seen before I had my other screen protector on here, you get micro scratches really easy. The Corning Gorilla Glass 5 that's on here, to me, it just doesn't last when it comes to scratches and stuff. It might be better at breaks, but scratches, you get micro scratches fairly easy. So you're going to want to put some type of protection, and why not the best? So let's see what we got in the box. This is a patented technology, so you're not going to see too many other companies doing it. I don't know if they have the patent on the adhesion or the installation process. Either way, there's not too many companies that are doing anything close to this. So let's see what we got in the box. You get your installation tray. This looks like something new I think they're doing this year with the way that you do something with the go over the glass for it to adhere. You have 2 tubes of glass, your top tray, which is going to connect to this, your instruction, and then they also have a QR code if you want to check out their video. You get your goodie bag here with your dust removal stickers, your alcohol wipe, your absorption pads for extra glue that runs over the side, a whole bunch of microfiber towels, and some more alcohol wipes that you are going to definitely need. Right here is your glass, just one piece. Normally they give you, I thought they used to give you 2, maybe they've always given you 1. So 1 piece of glass right here, top quality glass it is though. You're gonna have your little tabs that go over the speakers to stop any glue from getting in there. So put those off to the side, and then this is your little bridge. Let's see what we got in the box. This is gonna be your UV lamp. There's your UV lamp. Stepping it up nowadays, they have their own branded UV lamp. These can be used for gel manicures. If you're a female, you paint your nails. These things are great. My girlfriend loves hers. She has one, not a Whitestone Dome branded one, but another one. This one's a little small than what she has, but I'm sure this could definitely get the job done and cure some gel nail polish. So we'll pull this baby off to the side. Micro USB charging, just throw it into any type of charging brick and you'll be all set. So let's start it off by turning your phone off. You're definitely going to want to do that. I've done it before without turning the phone off, and it's just a pain. While we're doing that, I'm going to get your alcohol wipe, open that, and you're going to want to clean off the screen like so. Make sure you get all the little smudges. And it's nice having one of these installation trays because nowadays with these phones, you know, close to being bezel-less on the sides, it's tough to install a screen protector without an installation tray because you can, you know, just touch the edges of it and be able to put it on. You end up getting fingerprints and things like that. So then we're going to put it in our tray. It says connector on the top. It says speaker on the bottom. Speaker, they mean top camera and speaker. So don't get confused by that. Put that upside down like that. And then you're going to want to take these right here. You have your connector and then you have your front camera. Front camera is going to block, like it states, the front camera. So we'll put that over the front camera. And speaker. And then you're going to want to take the other one. You can actually flip this over and do it on this if you'd like. And that's going to be the one that says connector. And you're going to know that you have it right by putting it on this right here. And it's going to line up with these two little cutouts that they have. And then you're going to want to take this, flip it over, get it lined up. Oh, we're a little off. There we go. Try to get this to go in like so. Oh, I actually have the sticker on the wrong side, so you're going to want to make sure the adhesive side goes down so that it can make some type of adhesion to your screen. This is all real time, guys, so let's take this again, get it lined up. Phone moved a little bit. It doesn't sit too good in there for some reason. There we go. Locked and loaded. Make sure that goes down. For some reason, it just doesn't seem like it sits good. But anyways, we'll take our glue. We have two glues. Only going to need one. Camera there. Then you get your adhesion pads right here. And you put these on the side. Now, sometimes they don't sit good. I don't think you jam them down, because if you jam them down, they bulge. So we'll go like this. I'm still not happy with the way this thing's sitting for some reason. I don't know why. It's sitting a little weird. But maybe that's part of it. Take your alcohol wipe again. Go over it one more time. Take your microfiber. Same thing. Now you're going to want to do this in an area that has the least amount of dust. I have forced hot air, and it is the winter time. It is probably 20 degrees outside. So with the forced hot air, it's blowing around a little bit of dust. So that does make it just a step trickier. But hey, it wouldn't be any fun if it wasn't tricky, right? So now you're going to take your dust removal stickers, get any little bit of dust that you can see. Like so. All right, should be good. You're going to take your bridge, put your bridge on. Now, you want to do this on a level surface because if not, the glue is going to move. I did check it, but I've seen it happen before. And then you're going to want to take off the red cap. Have seen it before where you pour the glue out and then all of a sudden you have a big issue. So let's take that, put that down like so, and then you're going to take off the black cap on top. And that's going to allow your glue to run out. And like I said, the thing that I thought was so level is not as level as I thought. So now I'm going to use a little bit of this alcohol wipe packaging to level this off and get this glue to go where it needs to go. It needs to go back in the center. Like I said, that makes the biggest difference is having a level surface. I did put a level on it, but obviously I was off by a little bit. So now we have everything back in place. I have some dust that I can see on the screen, so try to get that off because that is going to make your life that much easier. So I have one more drop of glue that I can see sitting out there. Boom, perfect, no problem. Put the cap back on. Take the glue out, flip it over, put the cap back on that side because this stuff can get messy. It does clean up fairly easily, but you're going to want to make sure that you try to make the least amount of mess as possible. Put your sticker down. Make sure your sticker stays down. For some reason, mine popped up. Dust removal sticker. Go over it one more time. Make sure you got everything off. Take your glass. Pull your glass out of the package. And then you're going to want to peel the back off, but I see some more dust landing on my screen, so I'm going to get that one more time. Peel the plastic off, which on mine it is not peeling off for some reason. Just grab a piece where you can and pull it off. Now you can tell where your notch is going to be because it's a disgusting notch. So you put that down the bottom. This is going to sit on this like so. And then this is where this new setup comes into play. You're going to take that where it says start. At the start, a 45-degree angle. If you don't know what a 45-degree angle is, look it up. And then you're going to run it to where it says end. And that should get your piece to sit where it needs to sit. Run it down. There you go. And then you just let the adhesion work. I had my thing fall down a little bit, so the glue's gonna travel. Let it travel for a couple minutes and let it fill up the whole area, and then you'll be good. So we'll be back once that gets all set up. Okay, after you get it all set up, let the glue make its way all the way through. You're gonna wanna take your little Whitestone dome UV lamp, push it like so. Now I'm noticing that I have a little spot at the top. So I'm going to try to push some glue that way. And I don't know. It's not, I have a little spot for some reason. I don't know why. So if that happens to you, you can try to finagle it like I'm going to do right now by tipping it upside down to let the adhesion glue get down to the bottom. Now that shouldn't happen. I don't know why this is happening. Could be this new installation process. So it looks good right now, but I don't like the way that this thing sits. It just doesn't sit in good. It always used to sit in a lot better. I don't know exactly what's going on. So we're gonna take this light, click it on, 15 seconds top and bottom. I like to do the middle also. So turn it on, count it off at 15 seconds. 15 seconds on the bottom, and then 15 seconds in the middle. You don't have to do the middle. I just personally do it myself. They only call for top and bottom. So we'll let this cure and be right back. Okay, so we're back. Now you're gonna wanna take all of your everything off, your adhesion pads, anything that's stuck to it. Take that, take that. And the more I was looking at it, this little tab is supposed to go on after you put on the top case. So make sure that you put the one over the speaker on afterwards. So now you're gonna wanna get the phone off. It's actually stuck a little bit. There we go. Take your tray off, put that off to the side. Now you're gonna wanna take the phone and you're gonna wipe it down with a wet wipe. Get all the glue that you see that you don't want there. Anything that doesn't belong, get rid of it. Wipe it all down. Anywhere that you see glue, because you're going to cure it one more time. You want to make sure that glue is off. You do not want to give that final cure and leave it on there. It does wipe off fairly easy, like I said. So let's see. Wipe it all down. And then we're going to cure it one more time. So you're going to do 15 seconds on the top, bottom, and middle again. Okay, so we're back. Just finished the last UV lamp in the middle and did a little cleaning up in the meantime. After this, you're going to want to hit it with one last wipe down with your cloth. Make sure it's nice. Now, I did get some, I don't know if it's the glue on the back or something, but something definitely, the alcohol wipe maybe, reacted funny on the back of my Google Pixel 3 XL. So I'm going to have to try to clean that off after. I'm hoping it's not the glue, but it doesn't seem like it's a glue. It might be whatever's in this alcohol wipe, which should just be alcohol. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Hopefully it comes out because this is a phone that I want to resell. So I'll actually try it. You can see it's like repelling it. Kind of weird. I don't know. That's never a good thing. So wipe it down one more time. Phone is on. Boom, you got my code to get in. Very simple. Pixel starting. It's very weird how this starts up like that. It says Pixel starting. Kind of like a computer booting up. It's kind of weird. Takes a while. I got Nova Launcher. It takes a while for everything to load up on this phone. It's one of the slower phones to load up, that's for sure. So you got the screen protector on. You can see it. I do have a tiny little bubble down the bottom. I don't know exactly what happened there. Could be the new installation process. It's a little different than it usually is, but whatever it is, yeah, I got a little bubble down the bottom. But everything else is there perfectly. Touch sensitivity is beautiful. The glass just is so smooth. Let's try throwing a little case on it quick. I got my Rinky Onyx and see if it works with that. So it does. Perfect fits. There's just a tiny little gap on the outside edge for cases. Anything with like real protection that's going to go way over the sides is definitely probably going to interfere. But I'll check it out with some cases and I'll throw it up on Twitter on what cases that it fits with. And maybe I'll do a video about it. But overall, guys, if we get past the installation process being a little, nerve-wracking, get my freaking case off. It's a nice screen protector. It's well worth the money. It's really nice. I wish they had kept the old style of the way that they did their installation process. I don't really like that new thing that you have to kind of swipe at a 45-degree angle. I don't know what kind of testing they had. Maybe that thought this was a better idea. Not sure. But I like the old method where you tilted it and then pulled the tab and it just dropped perfectly. But I don't know, maybe this is more foolproof for people, but I guess maybe because I'm just used to the other style. Not sure. But anyways, guys, that is the installation of the Google Pixel 3 XL Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector. Links will be down in the description if you're interested. Question for you guys, what is your favorite glass screen protector? Name the company, and if you don't use a glass screen protector, let me know the other types of protectors you guys use down in the comments below, and maybe I'll give those a test. Until the next time, guys, I'll catch you later. Peace.